This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Looking for a home with an open air and screened porch to sip your coffee on? Check. Looking for a home with a workshop area? Check. Crawlspace storage for all of your Christmas decor? Check. New flooring and paint throughout? Check. If that's you, set up your showing for this cozy home today. It has everything you need up top, plus an extra room down below in case the in-laws visit, or in case you need your own private office. Agent see remarks for more details and video tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.